A baby gopher tortoise shell. Yeah, she was flipped over. I found it just like this. Flipped over. And she was in this swampy area, and there was nothing for her to really grab on, her legs. She was right in the middle of the dead. And that's one thing with these turtles, is that when they're this young and they flip over on their shells, their little legs can't really grab onto anything. And their neck is so short to push up their huge little body like this. For little ones, this is what happens when they flip over. And there's no other turtles around that can hear their grunts to come over. Because the turtles help each other out that way at times if they're nearby, to help push the other one over if there's no other way. But anyway, yeah, I'm about to head back from this beautiful, beautiful hike, and I just figured I would show you guys this gopher tortoise. Gorgeous, isn't it? All right, we're going to put him back. You know, these things are protected, and you don't want to start taking these things home with you. I mean, I'm sure you have to have a license if it's like a show and tell, if you're a teacher, scientist. But we're just going to put him back.